Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to CAT YouTube channel. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question from CAT 2022 guys, from slot 1 guys. In fact, this was a very easy question, easiest question of all the slots guys. Okay, a mixture contains lemon juice and sugar syrup in equal proportion. If a new mixture is created by adding this mixture and sugar syrup in the ratio of 1:3, then the ratio of lemon juice and sugar syrup in the new mixture is what guys? So guys, very easy question it was. You can solve by the basic of ratios as well, and you can use the law of mixture and alligation as well. Okay, so we are going to solve this question by both the methods guys. By both the methods we will solve this question. A mixture contains lemon juice and sugar syrup in equal proportion. Okay, so let's assume the initial solution was of 100 liter guys, total quantity was 100 liter. So equal proportion, they are in equal proportion guys. So lemon juice and sugar syrup in equal proportion, so they must be 50 liter and 50 liter. Now guys, if a new mixture is created by adding this mixture, what is the volume of this mixture guys? What is the quantity of this mixture? You will say 100 liter. And you will take this 100 liter entirely guys, and this mixture and the sugar syrup in the ratio of 1:3 guys. So if you are taking this 100 liter guys, you need to maintain the ratio of 1:3 guys. This is nothing but the initial mixture, this is sugar syrup. So you will say if 1 unit equal to 100 liter, then 3 unit must be 300 liter. Yes or no guys? So what we are doing, we are mixing 100 liter our mixture, 100 liter first mixture of lemon juice and sugar syrup, in which the ratio of lemon and sugar syrup are equal, and we are mixing this 100 liter with 300 liter of sugar syrup guys. So we are mixing in the ratio of 1:3 only. I hope it is clear to you. So now is 300 liter is pure sugar syrup guys. 300 liter is pure sugar syrup, and in this 100 liter guys, 50 liter is lemon and 50 liter is sugar syrup. So do you agree with me guys? Total mixture is of 400 liter guys, 400 liter, and out of this 400 liter we can see here, we can observe here guys, 300 liter is sugar syrup and here also 50 liter sugar syrup. It means out of 400, 350 liter is sugar syrup, remaining 50 liter is lemon only. What is the ratio of final quantity of lemon and sugar syrup guys? So we can observe here, that is 1:7 only. How easy it was? How easy it was guys? It was the easiest question from this slot guys. I hope you all have understood this. Whatever the question is saying, we are following that only. Like a mixture contains lemon juice and sugar syrup in equal proportion. So let's assume initial mixture is 100 liter. They are in equal proportion, so 50 liter lemon, 50 liter sugar syrup. Now this mixture will be mixed with 3 times of sugar syrup guys. So you will say if it is 100 liter guys, this must be 300 liter. They have been mixed, and now the total volume has become 400 liter guys. Total volume has become 400 liter guys, and out of this 400 liter, we all know 300 liter is pure sugar syrup. Out of this 100 liter, 50 liter lemon, 50 liter sugar syrup. So ultimately you will say 50 liter is sugar syrup, and total 300 plus 50, 350 sugar syrup is there. So the ratio of quantity of lemon juice and sugar syrup is nothing but 1:7. That's why option D is the correct answer. So I am damn sure it is crystal clear to each and every one guys. However, this was the easiest method and you should follow this method. But students, if you want to discuss one more method of law of mixture guys, then we also can solve this question quite comfortably guys. Now we know the law of mixture guys. In the first mixture, sugar syrup is 1 out of 2 unit. Students, do you agree with me guys? If we talk about the sugar syrup guys, in the first mixture, sugar syrup is 1 out of 2 unit. Okay. Now students, in the second mixture, in the second mixture, that is of sugar syrup guys, we are mixing this first mixture and the sugar syrup in the ratio of 1:3. So in the sugar syrup, guys, it is pure sugar syrup. So it is 100%, or we can say 1 out of 1 complete is sugar syrup only. Now they have been mixed in the ratio of 1:3. Students, they have been mixed in the ratio of 1:3. This M will tell you the concentration of sugar in the mixture, guys. So let's solve, guys. Do you know that second minus M must be equal to M minus 1, the law of mixture? Okay, second minus M minus 1. So you will say 1 minus M upon M minus 1 by 2 must be equal to what, guys? The ratio 1:3, the ratio in which they have been mixed. So you will say it must be equal to 1 by 2, sir. 2 minus 2M must be equal to M minus 1 by 2. Or on solving this, we will have what, beta? 5 by 2. Just solve this, guys. M minus 2M, M minus 1 by 2. So 5 by 2 will be equal to 3M. No, guys, I think one thing, guys. 1 out of 2 unit. If a new mixture is created by adding this mixture and the sugar syrup in the ratio of 1:3. Okay. Just check this calculation, guys. Are we doing any mistake? 2 minus 2M must be equal to M minus 1 by 2. So it will be what, beta? 2 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 2 must be equal to 3M. So M must be equal to what, beta? 5 by 6. No, it was not 1:2, right? It was 1:3, na? So we will take here 1:3. That is the mistake that I am doing, guys. So now that's all. Let's solve this. This ratio must be equal to 1:3, na? So let's put 1:3 here. So now solve this. 3 minus 3M must be equal to M minus 1 by 2. So ultimately it will be what, guys? 7 by 2 must be equal to 4M. So M must be equal to what, guys? 7 by 8. It means in the final mixture, here we are taking the concentration of sugar, guys. Here also we are taking concentration of sugar. So this M will also denote the concentration of sugar, guys. So sugar is 7 out of 8 unit. It means the remaining is what, beta? The remaining is what, guys? 7 out of 8 unit is sugar. So the remaining will be what, beta? 1 unit only. So it means 1 will be lemon and the 7 will be sugar. That's why 1:7 will be the correct answer. Option D will be the correct answer. I hope it is crystal clear to each and everyone, guys. So this is how we can solve this question quite comfortably, guys. We are going to meet in the next class, guys, with some more amazing questions and concepts. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much, guys.